Wow, yes Lord. Say man, what's up, baby? Raymond the HCX, baby. We out here playing in a big rig, you dig? So look, man, we are back behind the wheel of a big rig. We are back at it, baby. So look, we're gonna be doing a backing video, and the reason why I'm about to do a backing video is because a lot of people been requesting it. A lot of people like that content, so we're gonna be doing that, man. So if you haven't, or if you don't know how to back, we are going to get you backing by the end of this video, no doubt. And the reason why is because I am not pressured with time right now. I got all the time on my hands to explain to y'all what's going down and why I'm backing. Now, another reason why I decided to make this video right now is because I had a team driver right now, and he left because I guess he was under pressure. He couldn't back, and I was trying to explain to him in the best way possible, taking my time. But I guess he was just frustrated by some other reasons, maybe. I don't know. But I thought, man, you know what? This would be a good time, you know what I'm saying? Because all he could have done was straight line back, and he did not even do that. So I was like, you good, brother? You know what I'm saying? You need some help? I got you. He's like, nah, it's okay. It's like, he's like, you can do it. So I backed up into the spot that I'm in right now that I just showed y'all, in between these two trucks. Nothing too crazy, right? But I'm gonna just be showing y'all on how to back, because I know people coming out of school or just want to know how to back, I guess, before going to the school, you know what I'm saying? Kind of want to be ahead of someone or whatever the case may be. This is the video to be in, baby. So once again, I greatly appreciate it if you like, comment, share, subscribe, or even view the video. Yeah, baby, watch through the whole video and y'all gonna, you know what I'm saying, be backup experts, you know what I'm saying? I ain't no backup expert, you know what I'm saying? People, you know what I'm saying, look better than me, you know, but yeah, it's actually my second time backing in a while, because if you haven't watched my last video, my other trucking company shut down. So yeah, go ahead and watch that video. It got like 32,000 views, and I appreciate every single one of y'all came on. But yeah, baby, we trucking. So I'm gonna get into this video. It's enough talking, and I got me a little GoPro right here. I said it's enough talking, I keep talking. So look, baby, we got a GoPro joint. I'm gonna attach it to my head, and yeah, let's go. All right, YouTube, real quick, man. So I'm gonna start by saying this. I know this is very basic, but it is very needed. So a lot of people back up with their seatbelt on. Right now, as you can see, I got mine off, and right now I just adjusted my mirrors. So you wanna make sure your mirrors are on point. I know it's very, very basic, and don't mind this is just my clothes and my camera equipment, stuff like that. But we're gonna go ahead and take off. We're already actually in gear, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take off. I'm gonna bust the whole U-turn over there, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how to set the truck up. So this is actually, like I said, my second time. Actually, this is gonna be my second time backing this truck into this spot. Very first time I did a straight line back from that angle. Very, very easy. I'm used to backing into backing a reefer, which a lot of you know, I used to work with a reefer. Now we're doing a flatbed. Ain't no difference really, just that you don't have those top corners, or obviously the walls to guide you in if you use that. But really it's no difference, so you shouldn't be scared you know what you backing into. It's just the technique is really the same. Once I get a chance, I'm gonna go ahead and bust this U-turn real quick. Hope y'all don't mind, you know what I'm saying, watching a little 10 seconds extra of a video. Go ahead and bust this U-turn. What's up, my boy? How you feeling? How you feeling? It's a beautiful day out here. It's a beautiful Monday morning. We just grinding, man, trying to, you know, get this money. But nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. Hope y'all enjoy this POV, man. Hope y'all enjoy these videos. Y'all remember to, you know what I'm saying, so give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Put welcome back, or put we trucking, baby, or put yes Lord. Yes Lord, we back in the game, coach. Big rig riding, baby. So boom. So a lot of times when we set these trucks up, or you know, you set up however you really want to set up, but I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Right here we have a tree, so we can't go exactly up against these trucks. So normally, I'm gonna stop here and explain to y'all. So normally I would say get up against these trucks right here as close as you can to them, right? Well, not as close as you can. Let's say, I'm gonna give you an example, and like I said, we got time, so I'm gonna explain it to y'all. So I'll say like this far. If y'all can see, you know what, I'm gonna get out and actually show y'all. So this far, well, obviously the tree is right there in our way, but I'm gonna put this right here, so y'all should be like this far. This far is not bad at all. So let's say, for an example, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's say 6. You could have like y'all say like 6 feet, or it don't really matter, just somewhere in this distance, so give you that space to where you can, what you call it, set up an angle and still be good. Are we in gear? There we go. Come on, baby, let's get it. So right now we're gonna set up around this tree. So it's not very hard at all, actually. Even though we don't have that space, it's still fine, because you know, it's still good, because we got, I'm gonna show y'all exactly. So we're gonna be pulling up right here in this spot that I was in. So we're gonna pull in right here. All we can do a straight line. So we're gonna go ahead and go up, pass it up by what, 2 spaces. And just because I would go even further, to be real with y'all, but like we don't have that space to use. So right here, actually we don't even need to use all that space anyway, because this space right here is perfect. So we're gonna just keep going all the way straight. Once we feel like that trailer could be straightened out, we're gonna turn, boom. So right here we're off center, right, by a lot. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna straighten out so I can show y'all where we're at right now and what you do in this situation. So pull the brakes. So right now, as you can see, we're way off by 1 parking spot. So I'm gonna show y'all what y'all need to do to go ahead and put that trailer in there. And it's not hard at all. So don't think it's rocket science, baby, because it ain't. It ain't rocket science. You feel me? A lot of people, like that dude that I was with right now, was real scared. But you ain't gotta be scared, player. There's always a resolution, and you know what I'm saying? Thug it out, baby. So we're gonna go ahead and put these airlines in, show y'all what it is. So you know we gotta scoot over that way, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the truck up to where I'm closer this way. I'm closer to that, let me show y'all. I'm putting it in neutral. I'm closer to that pole that's right there. I mean, not the pole, that tree, my bad. Closer to that tree. Then we got a truck right here. So let me let him by. Let me let him by real quick. Come on, baby, you need to come through. I got you. Come on. Hopefully we won't hit that truck. Hopefully we won't hit that truck. Let him go through, man. Let him go through. Come on, baby. Can I go back a little bit? Yeah, let's go back a little bit more. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Boom. So, like I said, we're gonna go closer to that trailer right there and closer to that tree, whatever. So, boom, here we go. Get a little closer so we can get that get that clearance, you know what I'm saying? So boom, get closer to this trailer, swing this way. And the reason why I'm swinging this way is just so I could get an angle, right? I can angle my trailer facing now the direction I want it to go. So let me get out and show y'all what I'm talking about. See, so right here, y'all don't see much of an angle right now, but as I go back, y'all gonna see exactly where I want the trailer to go to. So what I did was I drove up, came left, and then came right. I'm gonna show y'all why. We're gonna come here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna not jackknife the trailer, but go back to where I'm almost gonna hit this little deal right here, whatever that is. I think it's a cab of a truck. So I'm gonna be turning left so my trailer could go to the right. So it's going to the right hand side. I'm gonna show y'all right now. So see, boom, it's going. Boom. And I'm gonna get out and show y'all so y'all can see exactly what it's doing right now. So I'm gonna get out right here because I'm gonna have to pull up regardless. No matter what, I'm gonna have to pull up, but I want to show y'all the direction my trailer's going in. See, just like I told y'all, it's getting lined up now, right? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull up because obviously I ain't trying to mess that cab up. So what we're gonna do, pull up. Come on, baby, let's work. Okay, there we go. So boom, I'm gonna pull up. Now I'm gonna do like a straight line back. Put it in reverse. Now what I'm doing when I'm turning right, I'm just straightening out the trailer, truck and trailer. Once I turn this to the left, my whole trailer's gonna go to the right, and y'all, I'm gonna give y'all an example right now on how this is going to work. So right now, boom, right, you don't hit that trailer by, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna turn it right back. Boom, right here. I'm gonna get out and show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. Now we got so much room to work over here. We need to make sure that this side on the right side of the truck comes into the left. So I'm gonna show y'all, baby, it's nothing to it. It's nothing to it. I could just back up, but so many people was like, man, I need you to explain a little bit more. So in this video, that's exactly what I'm doing, explaining more of what I'm doing. So we're gonna go back. Now, since we need the right of the trailer to go to the left, whenever you turn your steering wheel to the right hand side, the trailer is gonna scoot over to the left. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Boom. So now you can roll down your window, and so you can see where the trailer is going. And my steering wheel is locked all the way to the right position. So now, make sure we don't hit that trailer over there. We're gonna straighten this out. Let me see. Boom, all good. Now we're gonna straighten this out. Boom. Bam. We in there like swimwear, baby. Boom. So now all you're gonna do is just work it in. So it's really like just like straight line backing. We're in a little bit of mud, but we're good. So boom, right here, you're just gonna work the steering wheel. That's all you're gonna do. We're in a little bit of mud, that's all good. We got traction now. Now we're gonna steer it back. So that's all it is right there. Just working the steering wheel now. So right here, as you can see, we're like a little close to this truck. So all you gotta do now that we're clear from this trailer is turn to your right. So the trailer could go to the left. Nothing to it. And we missed the blue truck, so we're good. Done deal, baby. Done deal. Boom. And then make sure, like, the slower you go, the easier it is when you're backing. So just let it coast. Like, don't even have your foot on the gas or anything. So we straight now. Boom, in the game. We're done deal. So that's, you know what I'm saying, something light. So I just wanted to explain to y'all, it's really not hard at all, man. Y'all just gotta come in here and get a feel for it. So some people use this technique where you put your hand like this and it's pointing, your thumb is pointing in the direction your trailer's gonna go once you turn. So that's basically what that is. So yeah, man, ain't nothing too crazy about backing up, especially when you're doing a straight line back. All you have to do is just remember that technique as far as, you know, turn left, trailer goes right, you turn right, trailer goes left, you know, vice versa. So yeah, so all you have to do is just remember them techniques and you'll be good, man, no matter what. So just take your time, and whenever you're backing, make sure that your foot is off the gas, because the faster you go when you're backing, the harder it is to kind of adjust, and you'll be oversteering, and then you'll be too far to the left and then too far to the right. So it's a lot of, you know, headaches. So yeah, man, just do your thing. You know, even got a little bit of mud, ain't no problem. Just make sure you get them techniques down, and I feel like with those techniques, you can go as far as you want, man. You could be a backing pro and backing expert. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all remember to smash that like button, baby. We lit, man. Let's go. And request it to some of your friends, man, that have a hard time backing. You can always, you know, just copy link or just share it to, you know, a message, or share it on Instagram, whatever you want to share it to. I greatly appreciate it, man. Let's go. We out.
Take off in that vet, huh? Run the game, ain't break no sweat, huh? Dig that just like the stiff on. Got dreams that we gon' catch them. Fuck, different spawn or renegade. Hot that boy gon' spit that flame. Out his head ain't